I'm using a new frame rate. Any of you guys watching my videos can tell me if it's a big improvement. My son showed me there's a setting in the iPhone setup that you can use a slower or faster frame rate. It gets better production. But anyway, here's this window. It had some rot in here, so I used still only about a half a can of wet rot hardener on there, and on the top. The bottom was not bad. So now, then I used that wood hardener, made the paint come off a bit, so that helped getting some of this old paint off. And then I used the hot air gun to get some more of it off. I wasn't going down to bare wood, I was only trying to get off the crap. All right, so there's the window hole where it came out. And over here, with all these stumps I cut down with that blade, we got a little bit of metal up in the corner there. I'm gonna have to take this bit of mortar off here and rebuild it. There's a little bit of play in there, but I think I'd rather have a bit more. So I got to take a bit of that off, and then I'll have to clean up any of the joints that are messy around there to get some more strength. That looks like it wants a bit of work. So, and then there's a couple more over here. And now while I'm out here, I'll have to tidy up. This is the end of this is what the roof looked like. It's not great, but it's strong. A couple of places where I just didn't quite finish on the day, smoothing it out, getting a little bit rough. There was a tree here at the time. I didn't think it was going to be showing. Now the tree's gone, and there you go. I stuck my foot in it. So, good time to just take some Dulux Trade primer and prime that whole frame up. Let it dry. I can stick it in, put the glass in, do the cement work and all that stuff. So, primer, next stop.